Hi family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fina, and in this video, you'll understand why your hair is dry, rough, and very brittle, how to tackle the problem at its root, and we'll look at an improvement we've made to our growth challenge tonic. A few weeks ago, my hair was harder than ever. It was so dry that no moisturizing product could hydrate it. I did hydration challenges and nothing worked. I tried very moisturizing masks, but my hair wouldn't absorb anything. I bought moisturizing products that used to work, but my hair remained hard and rough. I dreaded washing my hair because I knew I would spend hours detangling it, even with twists. I went through 3 months of this, trying everything and always using gentle shampoos to avoid making things worse. My hair broke a lot, and even though trimming the ends helped a bit, my hair was still too rough, dry, and hard, and of course, it kept breaking. To solve this, I discovered I didn't need homemade masks or to avoid sulfate shampoos. I discovered the problem 3 weeks ago, just before starting the growth challenge. My hair had buildup, probably from silicones and other products. This buildup creates a layer that prevents moisture from penetrating the cuticles, so the products don't work and the hair becomes dry, rough, and brittle. This problem, which lasted 3 months, was solved with a clarifying or detox shampoo. That's all my hair needed. I'm embarrassed to admit it, but I went a year without detoxing my hair. Please take note if your hair is dry and no product hydrates it, if it's hard to detangle, and it feels rough right after your washing routine, you need a detox. Go and buy a detoxifying or clarifying shampoo, and 2 washes will be enough. This shampoo removes all residues. We can't overuse it because it's harsh. Clarifying shampoos are aggressive for our hair type, and it can be very bad and dangerous for our hair to use it frequently. But if you use products with non-water soluble silicones, you need to use it at least once a month. I'll use it 1 week with detox and 3 weeks without sulfates because sulfates usually leave my hair hard. After rinsing the shampoo, my hair felt lighter but still hard, so I prepared a clay mask. I bought 50 grams of gasol clay, added a tablespoon of virgin olive oil, and water until I got the desired texture, not too liquid to avoid wasting it, and not too thick to make it hard to spread on the hair. I applied the clay mask section by section from the scalp to the tips. Clay masks are excellent detoxifiers for hair. They help remove product buildup, excess oils, and impurities that can clog hair follicles and weigh down your hair. This deep cleansing allows your hair to better absorb moisture and nutrients, leading to healthier, softer, and more manageable hair. After finishing the application, I massaged my scalp for 2 minutes to ensure the mask was well distributed and to stimulate blood flow. Then I left it on for 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. Finally, I rinsed it out thoroughly with plenty of water and continued with the following steps of my washing routine. My hair was super soft. The detox shampoo deeply cleaned my scalp and strands, and the clay brought back my hair's natural softness. If you have type 4 afro hair, I don't recommend bentonite clay as it left my hair hard, but gasol clay makes it very soft. I highly recommend it. Now, about my hair growth, it's been stalled for over 6 months. It grows very little and slow, and was also being damaged by how hard it was to manage. No matter how careful I was while detangling, my hair suffered and I know is weak. To fix that, I've made an improvement to our growth challenge tonic to strengthen the strands and make application easier. Let's remember the ingredients of our growth tonic: fresh mint, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, horsetail, peppermint, ginger, cloves, bay leaves, cinnamon, moringa powder, neem powder, eucalyptus, and nettle. This is what we used to prepare the tonic when we started the growth challenge, but it doesn't stop here. I made a flaxseed gel and an aloe gel that worked great, and I turned the tonic into a vitamin serum. I added aloe gel, flaxseed gel, vitamin B3 to improve scalp health and strengthen hair, vitamin B5 to moisturize and repair hair, and vitamin B7 to promote hair growth and strengthen strands. Plant placenta nourishes and strengthens hair roots. Silk protein improves elasticity and adds shine. Cereal protein strengthens hair and enhances moisture retention. And conditioner facilitates application and softens the hair. The growth tonic is no longer a liquid. It's now a gel or growth serum. I have a lot of confidence in it. This will be my open secret for amazing hair. I really hope it works. And if not, at least I know my hair is being repaired, nourished, strengthened, and pampered. If my hair gets stronger from this, I'll be happy. I will alternate between applying the tonic and the serum daily as part of my growth treatment routine. I'm sure my hair will be better because I won't have to wet it as much daily. With the serum format, applying it to the scalp will be easier and more direct. It will also help me stick to the application because a growth challenge is a commitment to apply our test treatment every day for 30 days. I've been applying it for 3 weeks now. I was supposed to finish on June 25th, but I have missed 5 days so far and I have to recover those days. I'll finish on June 29th. We're hoping for strong and fast growth, a hydrated, nourished, and healthy scalp, and consequently strong follicles and no hair loss. I don't know yet if it will work. We have to wait for the results. I always say, more is not better. We've doubled, tripled, and quadrupled hair growth with just one ingredient. In my case, I've tried everything, and I want to make an effective fusion of ingredients to use all year round.
And well guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the results.
I'll bring you the results of the growth challenge next week.
Give it a like if you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.